Hello and welcome back to another episode of Road Crossing Tours. My name is Philip Herbig from Philip's Trains. If you're new here, welcome. And let's get started. First of all, this is this is not this is not in Kansas. This is actually in Carter Lake, Iowa. This is this is Abbott Drive in Carter Lake, Iowa. And as you can see, it's a gateless road crossing. Um, so this is the map on. This is the map of on openrailwaymap.org. As you can see, this railroad, according to this website, is actually considered abandoned, which is interesting given the fact that it's actually considering since it doesn't. Oh, hell. Sorry about that. Considering since it's not shown what railroad it's a part of. So, but let's get started. First of all, let's go to this signal here. This signal is a Safetran, maybe 1980s Safetran Cantilever. And here's the emergency information here. The dot number is 308424M. It actually is owned by Canadian National. So we have on this signal, it is a Safetran Cantilever, as you can tell by the look of it. We have 3 pairs of Safetran 12 by 20 inch lights with Safetran fading LED lights with inside Safetran frames and brackets. Actually, that kind of these are. So these are Safetran lights. These are actually the dotted LED lights, and these are the I think those are dotted LED lights. There is no bell on the top, although if I go, I think there used to be a bell on top. Let's check. Not in 2018. Let's try. Yeah, there. So this road crossing does not have a bell. This is August 2025. So I want to make sure I figure out if it is actually road crossing, but or if there was a bell. Also, if you notice, if I'm over here, it tells me I'm in Omaha, Iowa. But if I go over here, it's in Carter Lake, Iowa. So it's actually right on the border of Nebraska and Iowa. Here's the relay case for the road crossing. Yeah, it says Abbott Drive. Actually shows what type of subdivision this line is owned by, and it's owned by Canadian National. It's on the Omaha subdivision, and on milepost number 515.59. And while the map, while this map is showing as abandoned, it does appear that the light is on, so it's not actually abandoned. So here's the other cantilever. So we got two pairs of Safetran 12 by 24 inch LED lights. I think those are Safetran. I don't know. These are actually, yeah, those are Safetran 12 by 20, either 12 by 20 or 12 by 24 inch lights. I can't tell. And so here is this signal. This is, I believe, a Harmon Cantilever. I believe it's a Harmon Cantilever. Yeah, I think it's a Harmon Cantilever. There's a dot number and emergency information. And on the top is a very rusted WCH Mechanical Bell, which is kind of very rusted, actually, considering since it's hard to tell what type of bell it is, but I believe based on the base, I think it's WCH Mechanical Bell. So, but yeah, again, this is not a gated crossing, so it's very old. So here is, this is, so let me go on the track view. This is facing towards Omaha, or I think, yeah, this is heading towards the Canadian Nationals line. So here is this is actually this is actually a very weird line here. So this is actually the Nebraska-Iowa border here. This is, let's see here. So this is heading towards, so this railroad here is heading towards that way, which is facing west towards North 5th Street, I believe. And then this is what the line is doing. It's actually making a very curvy line here. And this is actually heading towards North 23rd Street East. This is the Omaha Correctional Facility there. And yeah, Canadian National actually owns this line. This is technically in Iowa. So this is in Iowa. But it's yeah, it's very interesting. So alright, that's all I have for tonight. If you have not already, hit the like button and subscribe and comment down below what railroad crossing you want me to tour next. Otherwise, I will see you later in another video. I apologize, it is almost 1 o'clock my time, so it is very late. I was gonna do a road crossing video before that, but I got sidetracked. So, but yeah, alright, that's all that I have for tonight. I will see you in the next video. Bye.